got the new seals. Time to get her back together. Bring it back over. Let's get out the back. Put these seals off. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of red rubber grease. There's this one here. The tiniest amount. These systems run under such high pressure, you do not want any nicks or niggles or anything in any of these seals. So but again, we don't want this grease in the fuel system, so it's a bit of a trade-off. Just tiny, 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 tiny. Just wipe most of it off. Gets it mildly lubricated. Make sure you get the fuel rail round the right way, and oh, let's give that a little clean out. Okay, beautiful. Let it dry off. And away we go. Make sure it's picked up that crud. Okay, when you're putting these in, you don't want to force anything, just in gentle circles. Slowly, easy, monkey. Okay, let's get the next one. Okay. Okay. Let's injectors back into the rail. Just give their little seats a little clean up. Just get the air in there. Okay, next seal, got the little seats. Put them in place nice and nicely. Once again, just a smidgen of rubber grease. Put the first one on there. screws in. Just going to put them all in loosely to begin with. Okay, make sure everything's lined up. We'll go for the snug down. Tell you what we'll do with these ones is give them a quick impactus. Great thing about this tool is it works in both ways. Nothing too extreme. Just give a little snug down. There's another one on the back here. There's a little clip to hold the wire in. Don't forget to plug the injectors back in. That would be disastrous. The rail to go back in. Oh, I put it away already. Beautiful. Okay, don't want it over tight, but want it nicely snugged home. Okay, beautiful. So that is, ladies and gentlemen, the equivalent, if you're talking carburetor terms, of giving your carb a once over and cleaning the jets out.